Proton therapy is a true success in cancer care. It is used today to treat many cancers and is particularly appropriate in situations where treatment options are limited and conventional radiotherapy presents an unacceptable risk to the patient. IBA's innovative new compact ProteusONE system combined with Philips Ambient Experience help enhance the overall experience for your patients. By adding various ambient experience elements, we can transform the area into a multi-sensorial experience. The touchscreen at the beginning of the maze empowers patients to select their own ambient experience room theme, thus becoming an active participant in the process. The standard functional lights that are normally used to lighten the maze will be replaced by a dynamic cove lighting, adding a soft-colored ambient glow. Patients feel more invited. A ceiling projector displays videos or animations chosen by the patient from a library of themes, providing a source of positive distraction. Dynamic cove lighting in the proton therapy room neutralizes the harsh glare of institutional lighting while encouraging a sense of well-being. The glow wall brings the outside world in and enhances the spacious design of the room. Soothing audio is added to create a relaxing ambience. Integrated cabinets provide easy access to accessories, freeing the room from clutter. Staff can take control of the ambient experience system anytime when this is required during the workflow process. Personalized control is central to the ambient experience concept for the proton therapy environment. Patients are empowered to select their own room theme, thus becoming an active participant in the process. Dynamic lighting, projection, and audio immediately respond to their touch. Through positive distraction, anxious patients are reassured and comforted, and the acceptance of a proton therapy treatment can be easier. Step into a multi-sensorial proton therapy room for this unique experience. With this patient-centric focus, IBA and Philips Ambient Experience help turn healthcare into human care.